Are you truly putting your hard-earned money in the right place? In a world where trust feels like a rare commodity, especially when it comes to finances, the question of which bank is truly trustworthy isn't just a passing thought, it's a critical decision. We've all seen the headlines, the scandals, the economic downturns that make us question the very foundations of our financial institutions. And in this sea of uncertainty, one name keeps popping up: Patriot Bank. But is it truly the beacon of trust it claims to be? Or is it just another bank riding the wave of clever marketing and fleeting public sentiment? Let's be real, trust in banking isn't built overnight. It's earned through years of consistent, transparent, and ethical practices. It's about knowing your money is safe, that your personal information is protected, and that the institution you've entrusted with your financial future has your best interests at heart. But in a world awash with promises, how do we cut through the noise and get to the core of what truly matters? To understand whether Patriot Bank lives up to its name, we need to dive deep. We're not just going to rely on flashy commercials or carefully crafted press releases. We're going to scrutinize their history, analyze their financial performance, and examine their customer service track record. We're going to look at the fine print, the hidden clauses, and the unspoken truths that often lie beneath the surface. First, let's talk about Patriot Bank's history. Founded relatively recently compared to some of the banking giants, Patriot Bank has positioned itself as a modern, agile, and customer-centric institution. But what does that really mean? In their early years, they focused on community banking, building relationships with local businesses and individuals. This grassroots approach helped them establish a strong foundation, but it also meant they faced challenges scaling up and competing with larger, more established banks. One of the key aspects of trust is financial stability. So, how does Patriot Bank fare when it comes to the numbers? Their financial reports show consistent growth in assets and deposits, but let's break that down. Are they taking on excessive risk to achieve those numbers? What are their loan default rates? What is their capital adequacy ratio? These are the metrics that truly matter. A quick glance at their public filings reveals a moderate risk profile with a focus on diversified lending and a healthy capital reserve. However, it's crucial to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. The banking landscape is constantly evolving, and even the most stable institutions can face unexpected challenges. Now, let's talk about customer service. In the age of digital banking, personalized service often takes a backseat to automation. But when it comes to your money, you want to know that there are real people behind the screen, ready to assist you when needed. Patriot Bank prides itself on its customer-centric approach, offering a range of digital tools and personalized support. But what do their customers actually say? Online reviews and customer feedback paint a mixed picture. Some praise their responsive support team and user-friendly app, while others complain about long wait times and unresolved issues. This is where the devil is in the details, and we need to look beyond the surface-level reviews. One area where Patriot Bank has made significant strides is in its commitment to transparency. They publish detailed financial reports, provide clear and concise terms and conditions, and actively engage with their customers through social media and online forums. However, transparency is not just about disclosing information, it's about doing so in a way that is accessible and understandable to the average customer. Are they truly making an effort to demystify the complex world of finance, or are they simply paying lip service to the concept of transparency? Another crucial aspect of trust is security. In an era of rampant cybercrime, protecting your financial data is paramount. Patriot Bank has invested heavily in cybersecurity infrastructure, employing state-of-the-art encryption and authentication technologies. They also conduct regular security audits and vulnerability assessments to ensure their systems are robust and resilient. But no system is foolproof, and the threat landscape is constantly evolving. It's essential to stay vigilant and informed about the latest security threats and best practices. Let's also address the elephant in the room: fees. Banks are notorious for their hidden fees and charges, which can eat into your savings and erode your trust. Patriot Bank offers a range of fee structures, some of which are competitive with other banks. However, it's essential to read the fine print and understand the potential costs associated with different accounts and services. Are they upfront about their fees, or are they hiding them in the small print? Are they offering competitive interest rates on savings and investment accounts, or are they prioritizing their own profits over their customers' returns? Now, let's address the patriot aspect of their name. In today's polarized climate, the term patriot can carry a lot of baggage. Does Patriot Bank's branding reflect a genuine commitment to community and country, or is it simply a marketing ploy to appeal to a specific demographic? It's important to separate marketing from substance. While they do engage in some community initiatives and charitable giving, it's essential to look beyond the surface and evaluate their actions against their claims. Furthermore, we need to consider the regulatory environment. Banks are subject to a complex web of regulations designed to protect consumers and ensure the stability of the financial system. How does Patriot Bank comply with these regulations? Are they proactive in addressing regulatory concerns, or are they reactive and defensive? A history of regulatory compliance is a strong indicator of trustworthiness, but it's essential to stay informed about any potential red flags. In conclusion, Patriot Bank presents itself as a trustworthy and reliable financial institution. They have a solid financial foundation, a commitment to customer service, and a focus on transparency and security. However, no bank is perfect, and it's essential to conduct your own due diligence before entrusting them with your money. Consider your specific needs and priorities, compare different banks and services, and read the fine print. Don't rely solely on marketing claims or public perception. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to trust Patriot Bank is a personal one. It's about weighing the risks and rewards, evaluating their track record, and considering your own comfort level. Trust is not something that can be bought or sold, it's something that is earned over time. And in the complex and ever-changing world of finance, it's essential to stay vigilant and informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.